Is your brain flexible? Cognitive flexibility is the ability to adjust your thoughts and actions based on a shift in circumstances, like when you're shifting from doing your finances to planning meals for the week. Task switching is a huge part of cognitive flexibility, and the ADHD iOS is a little less stretchy than other brains. The stretchy parts of the brain don't move quite so smoothly, so task switching often feels like driving with the brakes on. Slow, jolting, and painful. Outside of the brain, it appears as procrastination on new tasks, huge breaks between small tasks, and redoing the same task over and over again, even when you know that you need to get to a new one. On the plus side, flexibility is something that can be improved and compensated for. If you're struggling to switch tasks when you know that you need to, try doorway cues, pre-planning, sound anchors, and many steps. And remember, your brain's not broken. It's just operating on a different system. Learned something helpful? Join the ADHD iOS community.